Hello, my dear friends. Today we learn some alphabets. First letter is A. Let's find A. A. The next letter is B. B. Let's see what's the next letter. C. And the next letter is D. Is this D? No. Let's find D. Yes. D. Next letter is E. E. Let's find next letter. F. Let's see what's the next letter. Let me check this. Is this G? No. G. H. I. Let's see what's the next letter. Is this J? No. Yes, J. And the next letter is K. K. Let's find L. 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 The next letter is M. 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 And the next letter is N. Is this N? No. Let's find N. N. O. P. Let's find Q. Is this Q? Yes, Q. Is this R? No. R. S. Let's find next letter. T. Is this U? No. Yes, U. V. The next letter is W. No. Yes. Let's find next letter. X. Let's find Y. Y. And the last letter is Z. No. Yes, Z. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R S T U V W X Y Z.